On September 26th, the British pound put in an over 2.5-year high against the US dollar. Now at the time, currency markets were digesting the Federal Reserve's aggressive 50 basis point rate cut at the September 18th FOMC meeting, which came with an implicit assurance of more cuts to come. But then, quite a bit changed. Some domestic data came in better than expected with beats in retail sales and in the September jobs number. Now in response, the US dollar rallied against most currencies, including the British pound, which is down over 3% from its September highs. What's interesting about the pound versus the dollar trade is that both central banks are announcing a rate decision on the same day, November 7th. US short-term rates are at 4.875% and the BOE's rate is at 5% even. Now the CME FedWatch tool has priced in a 96% probability of a 25 basis point cut in the US, and the UK futures markets are pricing in about a 90% chance of a BOE cut. Now the UK's Office for Budget Responsibility recently lowered both growth expectations, but they raised inflation expectations for 2025 from 1.5% to 2.6%, leading some to worry that the BOE could disappoint the market by standing pat on rates. Now CME Group offers 3 different size currency contracts, the standard, the mini, and the micro, in order to match a trader up with their preferred risk tolerance. We're going to be using the micro in these examples. Now, if a trader believes that the British pound could rally back from here, they could express that by buying the December micro British pound futures contract at 1.2996 and target a move to 1.3200. Now, a stop for this trade can be placed below at 1.2850. This trade can make $127.50 if the target is reached and risks $91.25 if you're stopped out of your level. Now, if a trader believes that the British pound could drop from here, they could express that by selling the December micro British pound futures contract at 1.2996 and targeting a move back to the August lows of 1.2700. Now, a stop for this trade could be placed above at 1.3176. This trade can make $185 if the target is reached and risks $112.50 if you're stopped out at your level.